Good morning, children. Welcome to our social session. Today we shall revise lesson number 9 in geography, energy resources. We engage in various activities to fulfill our needs for which we need energy. In the past, human labor and animals were used for many tasks. Gradually, man's need increased, and with it, several changes took place in the use of energy resources and devices. Energy resources can be classified in many ways, such as conventional, non conventional, biotic, abiotic, renewable, non renewable, substance based, processed based, etc. Substance based energy resources: wood, coal, mineral oil, and natural gas. Biogas, energy from waste material, atomic energy. Process based energy resources: hydel power, wind energy, solar energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy. Energy resources must be used very carefully. The demand for energy is increasing all the time due to growing population, urbanization, and growing needs of man. It is necessary to use alternative and non conventional energy resources. To meet these needs, it is also necessary to use energy frugally. We must always avoid unnecessary use of electricity. It is easily possible for us to do so. Now I will read out the notes of lesson number 9, energy resources. First, fill in the blanks. Mineral oil is called black gold. Second, hydel power is the power obtained from the kinetic energy of running water. Third, the light and heat received from the sun is utilized for the generation of solar power. Fourth, low quality coal is used for cooking. Second question, name the following. Substance based energy resources: wood, coal, mineral oil and natural gas, biogas, energy from waste materials, atomic energy. Second, major coal fields from Rajasthan, Palana. Third, countries using atomic energy: India, USA, Russia, France, Japan. Fourth, major hydel power station in Punjab, Bhakra Nangal. Second question, answer the following in one sentence. First, why is mineral oil called black gold? Answer, mineral oil is called black gold because it has a blackish color and it is costly. Second, which fuels are known as biofuels? The fuels which originate from the remains of dead plants and animals are known as biofuels. Third, how many degrees Celsius is the temperature at the center of the earth? Answer, the temperature at the center of the earth is 4000 degrees Celsius. Next question, answer in brief. Which energy resource does man use the most? Answer, man uses coal the most because it is easily available everywhere in greater quantities and at low price. Second, why are energy resources needed? Answer, energy resources are needed to satisfy the needs of man. It is also needed for various activities like heating, cooking, driving, running machines, etc. Third, short note, biogas. Biogas can be generated from biotic waste materials such as feces of animals and dead leaves, shells, etc. This energy can be used for domestic needs such as cooking, heating water, lighting lamps, etc. Distinguish between mineral oil, solar energy. The availability of mineral oil is limited. The availability of solar energy is unlimited. Second, the use of mineral oil is not environment friendly. The use of solar energy is environment friendly. Mineral oil leads to pollution. Solar energy is pollution free. With this, we have finished with the revision of lesson number 9, Energy Resources. Thank you, children.